quick video of our property in Alabama. There's the drive going back there. That goes out to the main road. We're putting the gravel in. We got a little trailer that we're putting up here temporary. We're going to move back in the back of the 6 acres later, but we're getting this ready for the motorhome. So the drive's going to circle all the way around all this. And who's that? Let me see.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday from Sullivan, Alabama.
So basically, that's going to be the parking for the motorhome, the Jeep, the travel trailer we're going to move in the back over here for gas. And then still got all this that we've got to work on. This is where we're going to probably put the travel trailer down this road as a hunting trail. It don't look like it, but it will fit back down here with the Jeep. And a little cleanup. It's been overgrown. We've not been using it. So cleared up this tree that fell out. But we got a spot right on down there actually to put it. That way somebody will have some good privacy out here that wants to come up and visit. And the birds are crazy here. So see, with the little trailer parked back in here, somebody will have a neat little spot. Anyway, quick video. We got a lot to do. We just got in last night. Had to get an air mattress to sleep on. We got the gravel guy coming today. He's still grading it and stuff. We kind of had him on slow speed until we got up here. But we should make some progress. We're planning on staying up here for about 2 weeks, get it done, and then hopefully we'll be able to move forward on it. And pretty much going to start staying in Alabama maybe a month or so at a time and go back to Florida and stay for a week or two and then come back. We're still not ready to get rid of the Florida property until we get this 100% finished. And we just kind of like Florida. So as long as we can, we're going to probably hold on to it. We got a lot of work here. So this is the drive going out. And always start the day off with a fresh cup of coffee. Look at that. Look at the sky there. It is absolutely beautiful up here. So this is our property, the little green spot here. You can kind of see the fence. This is the road we live on. County maintained. They do seem to keep good control of it. And so our little slice of paradise, Lamar County, Alabama. Y'all have a blessed day.